Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is your boy LB, and today, I just want to show you how I create this demon AI effect in Adobe After Effects. Alright, so now let's jump on it. Let me show you how I did it. This is how it looks like. So the things I'm going to do, guys, just come up here on this video layer and then click Ctrl+D on your keyboard to duplicate. Okay, so and I'm going to rename this first layer as I1. Okay, and then this must be an I2, something like this. Okay, so and then, guys, it means that I have to work on each eye. Okay, just come up here on this first eye and then come here on this effect and preset, and I'm going to search the effect called the Mocha After Effect. Okay, and then is this one, just drag it and then drop it on this I1. Okay, and just come up here to open up this Mocha. Alright, so now I have already getting in Mocha plugin. Okay, now let me just bring this blue line where my video clip is starting, and then let me just use this an icon to zoom my clip, because I just want to track when I'm watching well my clip. Okay, and I'm going to use this icon to track my eye. Okay, so then I have to select or to draw how my eye it is. Alright, so now and then after drawing it, so what I'm going to do, guys, just because I'm on the beginning of my clip and I'm going to track front forward, so just come up here on this track and then click here on this track front forward, and then I have to wait a few little bit. So alright, and then when the tracking is done, guys, just come up here to save the project, or you can click Ctrl+C, and then just remember to click here on it, and then just come up to close this Mocha AI. And then, so what am I going to do? Just come up here on these Mocha settings and open up this mate, and then create After Effect mask. Guys, still you are here on this I1, so now you see, guys, what the things they gave us. Okay, and I'm going to create the black solid. Okay, right click here and then go on new and then create the solid. So even this one, let me just call it like solid I1. Okay, and then, guys, remember to select the black color. Okay, and then press OK, and then, guys, just come up here on this I1 too. Okay, and then click M on your keyboard, and I'm going to copy this mask layer and then Ctrl+C, and then let me just come up here to paste here on this solid I1, something like this. Okay, let me just bring it here on fit. Alright, so let me just put it this solid here above this clip. Now you see I got the black solid. Okay, and then, guys, so let me just open up these solid settings. Okay, let me just open up something like this. I just want to open up this mask, this layer 1, because I just want to feather these edges. Okay, so let me just increase this mask feather, something like this. Okay, even this exponential, like, you can increase or decrease here, something like this. Yeah, this is a real nice. And then I just want to check it out, and let me see if this solid one, it is already attached my tracking mask. Now you see, guys, everything it is already done. Okay, so but right here I can just increase this exponential. Okay, this mask exponential. Okay, so, and when you're done, I just want to add like a reflection on this eye. Let me just duplicate this I1 by click Ctrl plus D on your keyboard, and then let me just move it up above all layers, and then let me just come up here on this effect and preset and search the effect which is called the Luma key, and then drag it and drop it here on this eye duplicated layer. So, and let me just zoom it. I just want to see how it is, and I'm going to increase this threshold. Let me just increase this threshold. Yeah, something like this. Maybe I can just also let it something like this. Okay, and then let me increase this edge feather. So okay, this is a real nice. Okay, and then so let me just come back here on this feet, and I just want to play. Let me see how it is. And if you just want, guys, you can also yes increase in order to reduce that refraction. Okay, yeah, something like this. Now you see how this and it looks like. So guys, even the tracking, it is already affect my video clip. Yeah, this is awesome. So, and then this is how you can just create this demon eye effect in Adobe After Effects. So guys, as I told you, please, if this video is very helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop your comment down below for someone who has any problem, for someone who has any issue, and let me know what do you think. And yes, I'm done, and I will see you in next video, guys. Peace.